take my piping bag, fold it down, give myself a nice clean amount there. Then I'm just going to scoop this quite thick dough into that piping bag and scrape off on my hand. We're gonna pipe these about an inch and a half thick in diameter. We just want them to all be the same size on the sheet pan so they all bake evenly. Okay, you don't really want to fill your piping bag too much fuller than about here because we do need space. If you have a round tip at home, you can totally use a tip for this. But in case you don't, you can totally pipe it regularly as well. I'm gonna slice it about here, about that thick. And then these will grow in size, so I do want to leave them a little bit apart. If you don't want that little tip, you can twist off. Because I don't want a ton of these little tips, I'm gonna go back and try to just smooth them out a little bit with a pastry brush as well. And then we'll get these in the oven, like I said, about 425 for 10 minutes, and then we're lowering that temp to 375, hopefully for about 10 more minutes. I'll definitely let you know if it takes a little longer, but really you just want that top to be nice, golden brown and crispy, so you can see what that looks like. Guys, I wanted to show you guys how to make some little profiteroles out of these little cream puffs. You could either fill these with whipped cream and make them cream puffs if you prefer, or you can do what is basically the base of a croquembouche, if you've ever heard of that. I'm basically gonna fill these guys with a little cream. You would dip them in caramel and then stack them up. It's usually for Christmas or weddings. They're super traditional and also delicious. But just today, I wanted to show you something a little fun. I've got my chocolate pastry cream ready right here because I just feel like chocolate. A really easy way to fill these guys. So I'm just gonna take a little paring knife. I'm just gonna poke a little hole in there, make a little X. X marks the spot. And then I'm gonna take my bag full of pastry cream, kind of poke it into that hole and fill it up. And you're actually gonna feel it start to get heavier. And gosh, that's just lovely. I've got all of these to do. If you want, you can top them with chocolate. You can top them, with some cream. You can do all sorts of delicious things. But really, all you need is one of these and some pastry cream, and they're delicious. Yum. I hope you guys enjoy.